Now, what if I need to change the language of Canvas from English to another language because I might speak a different language or read a different language better? And so I want to show you how to do that in this tutorial. Okay. So we're looking at our dashboard now, and you can see that everything is in English. Courses over here, everything that the Canvas system uses is in English. Well, we can change that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to Account. Okay, so again, that's right above here. Okay, click, and again, I'm going to go to Settings. That's the third line down. Click. Now, just like when we changed the picture, I'm going to go over here to Edit Settings, which is on the right side, and I'm going to click. And now notice that the language option has changed, or it's opened up so that I can change it. And so now I can click this box and I can choose the language that I actually speak or read better. Now, notice that when I change this and I'm looking for, let's see, let's do Espanol. Okay, and I'm going to update settings. And it may not show it right away, so I'm going to come up here and I'm going to, oh, it says it didn't do it, so let's try again. Espanol, update settings. There we go. Now notice that all the bits of Canvas have changed, all the instructions and everything. But let's say I go to a course. And so notice that this still says in English, okay, the title, and I click in a course. And so everything that the teacher has created, so for example, this is the welcome message from Mrs. Teacher, that's still in English, okay? But the navigation and the system things that are built in, that changes to Spanish or whatever language you set it as. And obviously I can go back and change it back to English if I need to, just by reversing it. And we're back. Oh, we're not back. Let's try again. And there we go. So that's how we can change the language if it would be helpful. Cheers.